Yeah, so I think that a lot of people get the false impression of elite athletes, I guess you could say, that we are always motivated, we always feel good, we're always just ready to go to the gym all the time. That's not the case. A lot of the time, I would say most of the time actually, we're tired and it's tough. A lot of the time, I wouldn't say a lot of the time, but some of the time, it's hard to actually get in the gym, but that's all you have to do. You just have to get into the gym and start moving, because you'll never regret going to the gym. And when it happens to me, I think about how training makes me feel and how I'm going to feel if I don't go to the gym, right? So yeah, that's just something I wanted to touch on, that not every day are you going to feel great, but you're never going to regret going in and moving.